Hello everyone, my name is Shashank Vishwakarma and I'm a Java backend developer with experience in real-time projects. And today I'm gonna share you all the 50 frequently asked core Java interview questions that can help you prepare the better for your next technical interview. Whoever the beginner or experienced or who want to change the company or who want to prepare themselves, so they can refer this video and go through this all the 50 core Java related interview questions. So first of all, I want to tell you that this is my YouTube channel, that is the Mr. Java. If you like my video, so please like and subscribe and also comment on the video so I can evaluate and better I can provide you the content of this Java field. So first of all, मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ whether you are a fresher or an experienced developer looking to refresh your fundamentals. These questions cover key area that interviews focus on, like oops, exception handling, collection, multi-threading, Java 8 features, and memory management as well. So I want to tell you without any delay, I want to tell you the PDF of this. In this, you can see this as a part of the continuous learning and preparation for upcoming Java developer opportunities. I have compiled the exhaustive list of the core Java interview question. First, I want to tell you guys these questions that I faced in my last 7 to 8 years in the core Java. I have evaluate all questions and I have written in this PDF file. So I want to tell you that key, don't skip the video. If you want to see the questions, so please be with me. I will tell you continue. So here the questions, can you see that which is related to the topics: core Java concept, oops principle, collection and multi-threading, design patterns, memory management, real world coding scenarios. Whether you are a fresh or an experienced developer, this list will help you to strengthen your fundamentals and take an interview with more confidence. So topics commonly asked in the interview question. First question is this that I have written here, that is what is garbage collection and type of garbage collections. So guys, I want to tell you, I'm gonna give you the list of questions in the next video. Very soon I will describe all these questions one by one. Here just I want to tell you, just please go through all the questions and prepare yourself, and the next video I'm going to upload with the answer and with the details for the example also. So first question is this: what is garbage collection and type of garbage collections? What do you mean by priority queue in Java? Explain map and its type in Java. What do you mean by collection in Java and constituents? Hash map and hash table. Difference between both of them. So in the from the collections, so many questions the interviewer will ask to you, and the next question is explain the various type of garbage collection in Java. What is set in Java? Explain types in Java collections. What do you mean by overloading? This is the common questions they will ask you definitely. Whatever I have written, these are the common questions. The multiple interview I have gone through and they asked me these questions and I have written here for you. So what do you mean by overloading? Overloading and overriding, both questions are very famous to from the interview side to they are going to ask you. Next is what is an object? What are the methods of the objects? Could you explain the oops concepts? Oops, they will ask you the oops. What is oops? What is the use of oops in your applications? What are the fundamental of oops? What are the key parameters in the oops that you follow in your applications? So another question is design pattern in Java. The types of design patterns they are going to ask, and one more thing, they can ask you to write the any pattern in the code, like if they multiple times they ask me to write the singleton class in your notepad and show me how to write the code. And second question is the hash code and equal contract, right? And next question is what is mutability, how to make it class mutable, difference between singleton and factory design pattern. This is the common questions, famous question the interview will going to ask you. Another question is what is synchronization, how does it works, why is string immutable? Listen to me and listen to me carefully, guys. This string, why it is immutable? There is two more things are there with the string buffer and string builder, right? So sometimes they can ask to differentiate all these string and string buffer and string builder as well. Next question is difference between final, finally and finalize method. What is volatile keyword? How to create an infinite loop without using the for and while loop. This is the code based question. They can ask you how you can write this. Second question is double equals versus equals method in Java. What does means belongs to this double equal and equals method? What are the key parameter of oops? How have you used them? That I already explained before this the could you explain the oop concept. This is the different thing, the key principle of oops, and have you used in them, like practically where you use this oops concept, you have to explain in the scenario based, right? And the second question is the longest substring without repeating characters. You have to write the code for this. Then remove duplicates from the list based on the order id. Now again question hash map versus linked hash set, key difference between both of them, and different states of thread. The questions coming from the multi-threading, they will ask you the most question from the multi-threading as well. The second question is the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM. How does thread local work internally, and what are the different memories area allocated by the JVM? So this is the 30th one questions. Sort custom object using the comparator and comparable. Find the nth Fibonacci number using recursion. Type of exceptions you have faced in your real project. You have to tell the exceptions, what type of checked exception, what are the unchecked exception, the types of checked and types of unchecked exception. They can ask you. Okay, so you have to be confident and aware about that. You can tell the answer to them. Another question is the comparable versus comparator. When to use and why to use. Heap and stack memory. This is the memory management questions they can ask you. And then difference between Spring Buffer and Spring Builder. As earlier I told you that they can ask you together or they can ask you separate also. And second question is the explain class loader. Second question is that searching algorithm in Java. What is searching algorithm in Java? Okay guys, and then any other example of single responsibility principle, they can ask you the different, which out of box the question they can ask to you also. How to implement deep cloning? What is deep cloning? What is shallow cloning? Okay, and how do you implement immutability in Java? The Java's garbage collector working and algorithms. Difference between thread.sleep and object.wait method. Difference between wait notify and notify all. These are the multi-threading questions. Okay, that is related to the thread only. Another question is deep copy and shallow copy. As I told you that they can ask you to deep copy and shallow copy. Checked and unchecked exception. Difference between comparable and comparator. Fail fast versus fail safe iterator. Difference between future compatible future and executor service, and synchronize versus volatile and lock, and how does the Java handle memory management. So these are the 50 questions guys that I have shared with you in this video. So I request you all to please go through all these questions one by one and prepare yourself, and definitely it's going to help you to have some idea and to get the exam, to get the interview also. So guys, this is the questions that I explained you, and this is only the question. The next in the next video I'm going to explain you with the answer also, right? So like I'm sharing the list of these questions. You guys gone through that, and if you like my video, so please like my video, and do like and subscribe my channel, and also comment below so that I can evaluate that, and if there is anything I'm missing, so I can add on, and I can upload the new videos continuous for you guys. And hope keep smiling, keeps learning always. As is my logo, like keep learning, you can see in this page. So guys, prepare yourself, and thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching my video. We'll meet you soon.